Hello everyone! Now we will start online Japanese culture lesson 8. The topic of this lesson is the events in August. Here are a few words related to August culture. What do people do in August in Japan? Let's take a look. What events are taking place in August in your country? This word is Obon. Obon, Obon. In Japan, an event called Obon takes place in August. It is believed that the spirits of the ancestors return to the houses once a year during this period, and the family welcomes and entertains them. This is an event where offerings are made to the spirits of the ancestors as a prayer for their peaceful repose, and as an expression of gratitude for the kindness shown by them during their lifetime. It is also an event that combines ancient Japanese ancestor worship and Buddhism. Obon is usually held for 4 days from August 13 to August 16 on the solar calendar. But in some areas, it is held from July 13 to July 16 on the lunar calendar. Here are some words related to the Obon. These are Hatsubon and Shinbon. Let's read it together. Hatsubon, Hatsubon. Shinbon, Shinbon. Hatsubon and Shinbon mean the first Obon service following the passing of a loved one. The term Shinbon is also read as Arabon or Nibon, depending on the region. Hatsubon is mainly used in Western Japan, and according to past surveys, it is the most popular way of pronouncing this word across the country. This is a Bon Odori. Let's read it together. Bon Odori, Bon Odori. Bon Odori is a dance performed during the Obon festival to see out the spirits of the ancestors who have returned. It is held on the evening of July 15 or August 15. This is one of the main events on the summer holidays. The Bon dance tradition is said to have started in the later years of the Muromachi period as a public entertainment. In the course of time, the original religious meaning has faded, and the dance has become associated with summer. Are there any events to think of your ancestors in your country? Now, our Japanese teacher will introduce the origin of Obon. Please listen.
お釈迦様、仏教を始めた人の弟子、木蓮は亡くなった母親が死後の世界でどのようにしているか知りたかったので、不思議な力を使って母親を探しに行きました。母親は木蓮にはとても優しかったのに、なぜか餓鬼道という食べ物がなく飢えて苦しむ世界にいて、痩せた姿で逆さづりになって苦しんでいました。驚いた木蓮はお釈迦様に相談しました。するとお釈迦様は木蓮の母親が実は他の人や動物に優しくしていなかったので、亡くなった後でも苦しんでいるのだと説明しました。木蓮は母親を救うためにお寺のお坊さんに食べ物を差し上げて、母親が幸せな世界に行けるように念じてもらいました。また母親の代わりに多くの人々や動物にも優しくするようにしました。そうしていると木蓮やお坊さんたちの思いが届き、母親は餓鬼道から救われ、幸せな世界に行くことができたのでした。このようにお坊さんやたくさんの人たちに食べ物を差し上げて念じると、先祖の霊は苦しみから救われ、生きている人も幸せになれるとして、 お盆の行事が行われるようになったのです。
How do you feel after knowing the origin of Obon? Here is the summary for this lesson. The events in August. Let's read the often used words together again. Obon, Hatsubon, Shinbon, Bon Odori, Obon no Yurai. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.